lahat hanggat sa dulo ng pagmamahal, hanggat sa kunin tayo ng may kapal. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are my home. You know that already, right? Talagang TikTok lang ang taking takbuhan. And sobrang grateful ako sa lahat ng mga nakilala ko here. At sa lahat ng mga nag-support sa akin po dito. Thank you so much. I love you guys. And for that, it's 5:23 and mag-prepare lang ako siguro ng dinner.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang kanta. Bakit ngayon ka lang?
I love you!
Ating mata.
Thank you, X. Salamat na marami for today. Pretty Johan, Anne Pauline, Wine Ashpam, Shafra, Ate Nina, I love you always. Salamat. Ang hirap ng malayo sa... Yeah, I'm trying my best. Just like to contain it all. Pero nagsasabay-sabay lahat. Gratefulness, homesick, and excited kasi may mga mamimit pa ako. I love you. Thank you sa support niyo sa akin. Sobrang nasusurprise ako lately. Like, I cannot. Thank you, ha. Salamat sa inyo lahat. X, thank you so much for today. And to everyone, Ate Lori, to all my admins, kay Ate Nina na isang tawag ko lang, isang chat ko lang. Game agad. I love you guys. Ate AC, I love you. Ma'am Divina, I love you so much. To my Mima, to Ichi, to Bossy, sa lahat ng mga nandito, sa lahat ng mga naging part. Kahit yung mga OG kakoy, thank you. I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm so grateful to be here and to be with everyone. Boss B, of course, si Boss B. Love natin yon. Enigma. Sa lahat, Captain Jones and everyone. John Albert. I'm very, very grateful. Ate Nori, yes, salamat. And for that, kung may hindi ako nabanggit, but I just want to let you guys know, to everyone who has been part of my journey, nakapunta ako dito in the States for the second time. At the AC, Music on Stage. Sa inyong lahat. Yan, sila Bob, lahat ng pasasalamatan natin. Lahat, of course. Boss J. I love you guys so much, and I'm just so grateful. You guys are surprising me every day. Like, nagsistream ako every day and nagugulat na lang ako sa mga nangyayari. Talagang God will provide for all my needs. God will suffice. God's grace is enough. God's will never lack God's supply. That's why I'm very grateful. Salamat. Thank you, Lord. If I don't thank you enough, I'm just so thankful, Lord. And with that, yan, siya for Ate Lanisa, to all my team, si Team Sofer, Team Donut, of course, lahat. Sobrang emotional lang ako ngayon kasi wala puno ng pagmamahal yung puso ko. Yan, Bossy. Grabe. Thank you so much. I love you. I know. Yakap! Yakapin ko. Hug. I love you. To all my tappers, to all the sharers, anytime, Queen, thank you talaga, X. Sobrang you guys are my biggest blessing. I hope you guys know that. And have a great day ahead. At tatry ko mag-live if kaya pa namin ni Ate AC. If kaya namin ng New York tayo mamaya, magpuyatan kami. Oo. If okay lang kay Ate AC, why not? Since this is your favorite, I know. You know, you guys are my favorite actually. Thank you so much.
Sabay nating natataanan ang lahat.
hanggang sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal. Hanggat sa kunin tayo ng
Thank you, X! Grabe naman, oy! Thank you, much love! Uy, okay. Ayoko na. Baka pumangit ako kakaiyak. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po. Thank you. Salamat po! I love you guys. Thank you po so much. Ayoko mag-end pero dahil gutom na ako. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Yes. Magpe-prepare ako. Ate A, ready ka na ba? See you tomorrow. Kakain tayo marami. 2-piece chicken joy. Spaghetti at steak. Yes! Let's get that pink moscato. X, thank you for blessing me and may God bless you. This is it! See you tomorrow. This is a lot. This is a lot. Pagkatapos kumain, I'll try, pero mag-iimpake na ako. 12:30 ang ano ko bukas. Salamat! Thank you po. See you tomorrow, okay? Dito na ako daily. For sure. Ipupush din tayo ni Ate AC mag-work 2 hours in the morning. Your smile is... I have big smile. I don't like it. Yeah, because I have a bunny teeth, you know? So when I smile, like my face gets super big. Then, like in photos, if you guys notice, I just smile like this. I cannot smile like this. Thank you, X! I hope to see you again and may you have a blessed day. Thank you for your generous heart. May you have a great day. And may you be blessed more and more. You're a blessing to me. Thank you guys so much. You should smile more often. Got it. Mongisngit! I love you. Snow Bear! Have a great day, everyone! It's dinner time in here. I gotta prepare or gotta make something. I love you. See you tomorrow. Salamat po, X. Thank you po so much. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo. Take care. Have a great day.